Hey, Amber Anderson here, and we are coming to you with our fourth and final market update of the year. Can't believe it's already December, which is crazy. I am here, as always, with the founder and owner of San Diego Funding, Linnea Arrington, who is going to share all she has in her wealth of knowledge about what's going on in our real estate market and rates and all the things that are important to you, because we've had a lot of changes this year. So where are we? We're in the fourth quarter. How are things looking? What are rates doing right now?
Well, a month ago, some things started to change, and this has been a really exciting month. I mean, we had the consumer price indexes that were out, that came in lower than expected, and the minute that happened, it seemed like everything turned around. The confidence in what's happening with interest rates immediately dropped to 0.5%, and since then they've dropped another 0.25%. So we have a very, very positive interest rate market compared to where it was 2 months ago and 3 months ago.
Could you give an example of where perhaps a 30-year fixed kind of lies right now?
A 30-year fixed on jumbo loans is in 5 3/4, so in the fives, which is absolutely Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, which is a little bit higher when you go to high balance Fannie and Freddie loans. Those are like 6 1/4.
Okay.
So still really, really positive compared to what they were, and the buyers are reacting in a great way to it. That's
Wonderful.
the important thing.
Yeah, I think buyers, like you said, you've got 3 buyers that have been waiting and are finally making moves because interest rates have ticked down. And you have to factor in the market has also adjusted a little bit. So payment, which is should always be the most important factor, has really been able to balance out a little. And, in many cases, December, while some people think everybody stops for the end of the year, December becomes a really good month to be a buyer in the market, because I think most sellers that are currently listed on the market right now are what I consider real sellers, because most people don't want to be bothered by showings during the holidays. Those that want to make a deal, they're available right now and they're ready to make a deal. And buyers sometimes need to get that done when they've got time to shop over the holidays too.
And those buyers of mine you're talking about, Amber, they both have been shopping and they got really beautiful homes at a good price.
Right.
And so they were satisfied. They're in escrow. They're going to close this year. They're really excited. And I think, so many buyers that I have pre-approved over the last 2 months are all talking about the first quarter. They want to buy in the first quarter. They want to be ready to buy in the first quarter. So I think the first quarter is going to be a really one of our best markets all year, other than after we got through that first quarter. So I think we're going to be really, really busy, both for sellers and buyers. I think it's going to be good because as interest rates come down, sales prices are solidifying and are going to go back up just a little bit, so we'll get sellers back in the market, which we need to get those buyers to buy because they want to see new product which isn't on the market right now, and they've really been waiting and they're going to be out there buying.
They are, and I know a lot of the media is so bad about just pushing the negativity and the doom and gloom, and next year's going to be worse. And there's a lot of unknowns about what next year is, and I think as a buyer, it's so important that when you find the right property and it's in line with what your budget is, that you make the move, because that house may not come up again. There's not a lot of inventory. We truly in San Diego County haven't come back to normal inventory levels, which kind of has helped our market. But what do you kind of see going into next year with what are rates going to do? Do you think they're going to inch up a little more or kind of stay solid?
Rates never just go down, straight down. They always, but they came down that half and then they went back up like maybe an eighth, and now they're back down about a quarter again. So they inch their ways down. They jump up and come down very slowly. And I think throughout the year, the tendency will be downward. I think by the end of the year, we'll be back in the high 4s and low 5s.
Wonderful.
So I think it'll be a full percentage point below where we are right now. And I think it'll be a gradual, and maybe a little more than that or a little less, but I think that's what the trend will be.
Wonderful. Well, we know how important it is to you to stay informed, especially, on our San Diego market here. So we will continue to bring you updates as we go through 2023. But thank you always for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Thanks, Linnea.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe below. And of course, if you want some more, check out this video over here, or check out this video over here. Ciao, ciao for now.
Watch me, never slow it down.